How to fix Bandlab app login problem. Now in this video, I'm going to provide you troubleshooting steps for you to fix if you're encountering issues on logging in into your Bandlab application onto your mobile device. So first things first is what you can do is of course head straight into Google Play Store and then look for the Bandlab application like so. And then from here, make sure that the update button is not visible. If it is, then you just need to tap on update so that you will have, or your application that you downloaded, which is Bandlab, will automatically be updated to its latest version. That could be the reason why you're encountering crashes and bugs. Next, if this does not work, all I have to do is to locate the Bandlab application right here, tap and hold. Now choose on the I logo, right side of Bandlab. From here, scroll down, and then under usage, choose on storage. Now, as you can see, there are two options below, which is going to be clear data and clear cache. Simply comply those two features. It will refresh the application itself, and you just need to try and re-log in again. And that's it. That's how you fix Bandlab app login problem.